across the silent room. Every breath is sweeping away the gloom. How to rest when the world is spinning fast. I close my eyes and let the quiet last. One step back from the edge of the rushing tide. I am safe with the noise left far outside. I have run 1,000 miles in the dark, chasing a light that was never mine. But time stands still for this weary heart. I'm laying my armor down, letting the world just pass me by, not making a single sound. Watching the ice melting away in the glass, letting the weight of the heavy hours pass. I stood tall, but my spirit's wearing thin. I just want to let the silence in. One step back from the edge of the rushing tide. I am safe with the noise left far outside. I have run 1,000 miles in the dark, chasing a light that was never mine. But time stands still for this weary heart. A single sound. And all along I believed I would fall if I stopped for a moment to breathe. But the silence is catching it all. It's catching me. One step down into the quiet sea. Time stands still for me. Left the heavy world behind ever since I sank below. All the chaos in my mind washes out in the undertow, drifting through a silent wreck where the colors slowly fade. chest in the quiet I have made. No gravity to hold me to the ground. I'm sinking down, but look at what I found. And I'd dive 1,000,000 feet just to feel this free, floating in the arms of the open sea. Let the surface fade away, let it disappear, 'cause I'm high on the deep, and I'm weightless here. Yeah, I'm weightless here. Gliding over coral beds where the dancing shadows play. All the voices in my head are 1,000 miles away. Looking through the heavy glass at a world that moves so slow. I'm never letting go. No gravity to hold me to the ground. I'm sinking down, but look at what I found. And I'd dive 1,000,000 feet just to feel this free, sea. Let the surface fade away, let it disappear, 'cause I'm high